This is going to be a super short video. I have two examples on how to use CPCTC if you've been given some information about congruent triangles. So the first one we have here, we have that triangle cat is congruent to triangle dog. We know that angle C is 35 degrees, angle O is 82 degrees, and angle T is equal to the expression 10x minus 17, and our goal is to find the value of x. So you can always start by drawing a picture. I like to draw a picture just to keep everything in mind in my head of where my corresponding parts are. So I have CAT and DOG. Now, based on my congruent statement, C is congruent to D, A is congruent to O, and T is congruent to G. So C is 35 degrees, O is 82 degrees, and T is 10x minus 17. I'm not going to write that inside only because I don't have enough room. So because of these congruent statements, I know that this is also 82 degrees, angle A, and I know D is 35 degrees. So one thing I can do, I know that in order to find angle T, I need to do 35 plus 82, which will give me 117. And then I need to do 180 minus 117. And you should have gotten 63 degrees. So that tells me that T is 63 degrees and G is 63 degrees. Well, now I know that angle T is also 10x minus 17. And that's going to be the same thing as 63. So adding 17 to both sides gives me that 10x is equal to 80. So this means that x has to be equal to 8. So here's our second example. Triangle MAP is congruent to triangle FUN. So if MA is 3x plus 7, FN is 8x plus 3, and UF is 12x minus 11, we have to find x and then find the side length MP. So I'm going to draw myself a picture. So I have MAP. M and F match up because of, my congruent triangle statement. A matches up with U, P matches up with N. So I know the side MA is congruent to this side here. These sides are going to be congruent, and those sides are going to be congruent. I'm going to start labeling things. So MA is 3x plus 7. FN 8x plus 3. And this will be 12x minus 11. So since these two sides are congruent, I can set them equal to each other. So I'll have 3x plus 7 equals 12x minus 11. I'm going to add 11 first. So I have 3x plus 11 equals 12x. Plus 18, excuse me. I added 11. Subtracting 3x gives me that 18 is equal to 9x. So part A, x will be equal to 2. Now I have to find side MP. This is my mission. But since this side is congruent to Fn, I can use 8x plus 3 to help me determine the side length MP. So I'll have 8 times 2 plus 3, which is 16 plus 3. So MP is 19.